In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop in PDFfiller. Now, the first thing you have to do once you have your document open, you want to go to the top left and you want to click on Pages over here. Now, when you do this, it's going to show you all your pages inside your PDF. And to actually crop a page, you want to go and click on those three dots next to it when you hover over it. And then from here, you want to click on Crop and Resize. Now, this will open up this cropper or resizing tool over here. And then you can just go ahead and basically select how you want to crop. So, for example, if I want to just crop this part over here, I can go ahead and make a selection like this. For example, there we go. Let's say this is what I actually want to achieve here. And then over here on the right hand side, you also have some options. So here you have the page presets, you have sizes over here if you want to resize, and then it's up to you. You could do all pages or just a specific page range if you want to. And then of course you can scroll down and you can see how the cropping is taking effect on multiple pages in your document. And then when you're happy, simply click on the apply button top right, and there we go. Click on yes, apply. It's going to start working on that, and after a few seconds, it's going to give you your PDF, but now it's cropped, as you can see over here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.